Dear students and parents, welcome to Lane Tech College Prep, the School of Champions, and a premier selective enrollment academic center and high school located in the heart of Roscoe Village. Home to more than 4,400 multicultural scholars, 245 professional educators, and 120 support personnel, Lane prides itself in preparing students for post-secondary endeavors as global citizens who are critical thinkers, confident contributors, and community game changers. As the School of Champions, Lane Tech consistently develops and implements innovative curricular opportunities that cater to the passions of our students and needs of our community. In addition to housing the largest STEAM and advanced placement programs in our city, our students also have access to more than 110 elective offerings, including 34 AP courses, our flagship AP Capstone program, honors courses in every department, and independent internships that cater to students' interests. As the School of Champions, our athletic department trains more than 1,800 student athletes who have earned city, regional, and state championship titles. We are a school of fearless competitors who proudly remember the honor of Lane with integrity and perseverance at our core. As you make the bold decision to join the School of Champions, remember that this is more than an academic decision. It is an induction into a family of high-achieving, well-rounded, and driven individuals who care about the academic, social, and emotional success of our students, staff, and community. As a fearless, bold, and proud Lane Tech graduate and the principal of our esteemed institution, I am confident that your Lane Tech experience will be rewarding. Go, Lane, go!